everybody, welcome to English Fluent with Dee. My student Fernando came to me and he said, speed me up Dee, I need to do the IELTS in 3 weeks. Whoa. Okay, child language brokers.
Child language is broken.
Child language brokers.
Charging language is broken. Charging language is broken. Broken.
Okay, so here we are again at the Psychedelic Cafe, and I've just asked Fernando to prepare for an IELTS type question. So he's going to tell us all about his recent holiday. Here we go. Go ahead.
Okay. I will talk about my best holiday. My best holiday, I remember, was together my family. My parents, the place was in beach, the famous beach in Brazil. The name is Copacabana. This trip was 10 years ago. I remember this trip was the best because everybody, including my brother and sister, everybody went together this trip, and was good time in the was good times. I remember this trip. My father gave me a gift. The sunglasses for I use in the beach. Yes.
Okay, so Fernando's biggest issues here, there's 2 big issues. Number 1 is pronunciation. That's his biggest issue. Number 2, I would say, is fluency. So sometimes he has to stop and think of the word and he loses his pace as he's speaking. Now, fluency can be fixed by him just speaking more English. Okay, he just needs to get more practice in using more words. Okay, so the more he practices, the quicker he'll become and the more fluent he'll become. But pronunciation really needs feedback from another person. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to correct his speaking and I'm going to give him feedback on that. Today I'm going to talk about...
Today I'm going to talk about...
I'm going to talk about...
Today I'm going to talk about...
the best holiday...
the best holiday...
I've ever had...
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 I've ever
had...
I've ever had...
Yeah, try again. I've ever had...
I've ever had...
Good. So that's a snippet of the next session of Listen and Repeat with Fernando. I've got to hand it to these students. This is a tough exercise, much tougher than it looks. You'll be amazed at the improvement Fernando makes after Listen and Repeat. Don't miss it. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you like and subscribe in the buttons below so you don't miss the next episode. That's all for today.